All right, y'all, so a little disclaimer. This video was made like months ago, and this video was cut, so this isn't even the video that it was supposed to be. But I was supposed to be straightening my hair. I ended up posting the whole video but really didn't like it, so I ended up deleting it. But I was like, dang, I really wanted to do the chia seed thing, trying it. So I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna like edit it out, all the straightening and shit like that, and just leave the me trying the drinks. So this video is a little weird. In 1 minute my hair is in this natural state, and in the next it's like halfway straight and halfway not. And the reason why is because the original video was me straightening my hair, so I was like in the middle of straightening my hair, and I was like, fuck it, I'm about to take a break and try the drinks. So that's why half of my hair is done, half of my hair is not. And I just want to tell y'all, so y'all won't be like, what the fuck is going on, you know what I mean? But yeah, so back to the video. Legit, I got them from Walmart way before my fast was over. I was like, bet, I'm gonna try them on camera because I had never seen these before. So these right here, so I got 3 of them, and I cannot wait to try them. I should have put it in the refrigerator, but I didn't, so I think I'm gonna do that and let it get cool, and then like I'll get them later. But yeah, so I'm gonna try these right here. I don't know when. I'll let you guys know, because like I know, like, oh shoot, I know that you guys are probably just like, I just want to see you taste those. So but yeah, I got strawberry, mango, and green tea. There was like smoothie kinds, but yeah, I didn't get that. I don't know why. I should have, but it is. And these were like 98 cents. So I'm gonna take a little break because I don't know how long I've been at it. So I'm gonna try these now. I'm gonna, since I already picked it out.
Sidger's gonna help me. If Sidger gets sick, I'm gonna fill in.
I don't know how to open this.
Sweeten the magic cabinet.
Oh,
We feel really bad that we let you guys down.
okay.
So do we.
This smells strawberry.
Hey. I don't mean to be rude, but I really should go hang out with Beck.
You should.
I need some more flavor, like.
Thanks. So can someone get this girl off my back?
That's a strawberry one. And I think that it needs more flavor. I hope it's not like all of them that needs more flavor, but that needs more flavor.
Are you sure we went first grade together?
I'm gonna rate it after I drink them all. So this is the green tea.
I got held back because I was lame at finger painting. I made you repeat fever, dude. Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
This needs some sugar.
Stop. I
Ooh.
came here to say I'm sorry.
Okay, and then this is mango.
One of us.
I'm sorry if I'm going fast, but y'all, like, this is 3 drinks. There's not much that I can say to it. Dang, these are hard to open.
I know how important Tinkle 8 is to you and Andre and Robbie.
And all the guys in Hollywood Arts.
I know, and so
I cannot get this one
awful
open.
and embarrassed that I let you guys down.
Okay.
I mean, not that it matters. It's
So
your
I had to
sample,
open it.
right?
So open it.
Hey, Vega! What are you doing here?
Well, this one is the best.
Oh my god.
This one is the best.
Tell her Moose. Tell her number 1. Oh, he can tell me after Moose and I watch this.
Okay, so
What's that?
The scissoring. Director
separately, I'm gonna rate them.
never before seen footage.
So the first one I tried was just this one. This is a 3. Okay, y'all, it's a 3. No, hold on.
Why are you here?
That's a 4.
What is that for? It's just
This is nasty.
take it away.
Completely nasty. That's a 0. This one is a 7.
Does anyone like hamburgers?
That's a 7. Okay, y'all.
I can't take this anymore.
I don't know where you can find them. I guess you can look them up.
Tori, Cat, or Jane?
I got them from Walmart where I live. So yeah, I said that wrong. So that's the end of this video. So if this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, hit that sub button, come part of this squad, the Gaming Crew. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. It'll be right here, and down in the description below. Check out my last videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.